You're under arrest. For you got a warrant out of South Burlington.
What did I do in South Burlington?
I got you.
Failure to appear.
Just do it. I got you. Just do it. Just do it.
Bring it behind your back. Bring it behind your back. I got this one. I got his left. I got his left. Go on him and lock on his left. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! You let him up.
I'm gonna smash your face. Get your hands off him. Get your fucking hands off.
Let him up. Slack with twisted wrist. Back up. Give him back here. Back up. Back up. Everyone back up right now. Back up. Give him some slack with twisted wrist. You're under arrest. You're under arrest right now. Get him.
Officers, and this is the no, that's unlawful.
Move out of the way. I'm done with you. Move out of the fucking way. We're fighting people on the streets now, guys. Fight people on the streets, guys. You asked away. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. He's under arrest.
Excessive force! Excessive force!
413 straight, been deployed. 1195.
No, that's not right, bro. For what? No, I'm not. For what?
Sprayed more.
Oh, shit. For what? I'm not impeding.
Stand up, put your hands on your back.
Will you leave me alone for a minute?
Stand up, put your hands on your back.
Oh, no.
Yep.
For what, dude? I'm not impeding. I'm not impeding. I just don't understand why you're hurting them.
Then finish your fucking job and get the fuck out of here and stop assaulting people, bro. Wait fucking now!
Oh, that hurts.
It's on camera.
Go!
Yeah. You
The
guys
fuck
are
out of here!
pregnant woman.
That hurts.
It's on camera.
Don't file a report on that phone.
Camera.
No!
I'm not standing around. For what?
No! Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Okay, look, he's trying to stop
Let him toss it back.
I'm not doing it.
I know you're not, but there we go. Officer Parrott, can I get the badge number, please, sir?
413.
413, Officer Parrott. You shot the pregnant female on the ground. They're going down.
I got a car up here.
Y'all going down.
Next time I'm not going to fucking edge you.
Pregnant chick,
Listen, fucking remain. Don't shut up. Don't shut up. Don't shut up.
Guys, you're so wrong. I wasn't impeding. I just don't think that you need to use excessive force.